What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to zoom in on video in Premiere Pro. As you can see, I have Premiere Pro opened here with a clip on my timeline, and to zoom in I'll show you how to do it. Let's scroll to the point where we want our zoom to start. Then we will go to the Effects Controls panel. If you don't find it, just go to Window and open Effect Controls. Okay, now it's opened. First of all, let's go to the anchor point here to set the anchor point to where we want our zoom to go. Let's say I want to zoom to this Coke bottle here, so I'll set my anchor point here. Otherwise, it'll zoom to the center of the video. Okay, now let's go to the scale property here, and we'll click on the watch here to set a keyframe, a starting keyframe, and we will scroll a bit to where we want our zoom to end, and then we'll go and increase the scale. It'll automatically create a new keyframe on this position. Okay, looking good. Now let's scroll a bit. Now from this point we want to zoom out to the normal scale, so I'll click here to add a keyframe and then scroll a bit to where I want my clip to be totally zoomed out, and then I'll click here the reset parameters to return to the actual scale. Now when I scroll, my clip starts with a normal scale, then zooms in. After a bit, it zooms back out. Now the effect is good, but I want to make the zoom a bit smoother. So I'll choose these two keyframes, the first two keyframes that are responsible for the zoom in, and I'll choose ease out. And then the other two keyframes that are responsible for the zoom out, I'll choose ease in. Okay, now it's a bit smoother. It's not linear, it's a bit smoother here. And of course I can manipulate the zoom timing. Here, by increasing the distance between the two keyframes, it'll take longer to zoom, and if I decrease the distance here, it'll take shorter to zoom. It'll take a shorter time, so it'll zoom in immediately.